shots. I'm killing some snipers. Alright, let's kill him, dude. I'm tired of fighting this guy.
Guardian down.
I just spammed his leg and he's just... Is he down? Oh! Dude, that was really clutch. Was. Now it's down. Alright. Be careful. I feel like the boss is just gonna spring out of nowhere.
Yeah.
That means we're almost done.
Strike's actually really short, but I mean compared to others.
Oh, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Back up, back up, back up.
Did you guys open the door and he was like right there?
Yeah, and he just freaking charged us.
I think he killed me there too.
Proceed slowly. Alright, I'll move up, I'll move up. He's here, he's here, he's here. This is like a game of hide and seek. I don't like this. I don't like this. We gotta stay relatively close together in case someone goes down. Luke, I would stay somewhat safe until you have your thing back, your revive. Where is he? I don't know. Oh, he's all the way down there. He's all the way down there. Oh, he just summoned a bunch of guys. Ow, ow, ow. Dude, these shanks, man. Oh my god.
Guardian down.
Captain right in front of you. Just get. I'm spamming him with pistol. Yep. Another one, another one, another one. Alright, let's hit him. I see him, I see him. He's in this little corner. Alright, he's summoning more guys. Watch out, Jake, to your left.
Guardian down.
More.
I've been really liking hard light. I like
It's
it.
okay. Wait, hard light's arc?
Nah, it's just kinetic. But it shoots fast and it's accurate. I really like it, so I've been using it. Plus it's an exotic, so when I use the one pistol, I can use it.
There's more captains out here. Hold on.
Oh no,
Dude, his
you gotta
head
be
kinda-
kidding me.
Dude, okay, Lynn, you know how it, do you know who Admiral Ackbar is in, Star Wars?
Yeah.
Dude, doesn't his head look exactly like him?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, there's another jump maze. Another jump maze.
In the what?
In the next mission after the strike.
Dude, we just killed Admiral Ackbar. I'm not even kidding. That is definitely him. I just got Service Regime. Crispy just got Patience in Time. Why are there still people here? Whoa, 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 whoa!
You will be rewarded treasure from
Jake, I hope you got something nice, dude.
my respect as well.
Dude, that really sucked. You could have used both of those. Yeah, this was a Nightfall. No, that's what's gonna come up at the end. Oh, you got an engram, heavy engram. That has potential to be good.